Hey everybody, Technically Jeff here, and today I'm excited to share with you some of the most realistic brake caliper covers I have ever seen. And I know you're probably thinking, really, brake caliper covers? But hear me out. If you don't really need the performance of upgraded brakes, or if you're like me and you have a vehicle like the Kia EV6 that doesn't have upgraded brakes available yet, brake caliper covers can be a really nice solution to help improve the aesthetics of your brakes over the factory unfinished metal brake calipers that come on the car. And I'm not talking about the kind of basic MGP style brake caliper covers. These are from a company called AOOA Racing, and they are very realistic looking, and they're actually really easy to install as well. So I'm gonna unbox them with you guys and go through the entire installation. I also, like I try to do with everything I review, I got them to provide you guys with a promo code to help save you some money, so be sure to hang out after the install for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. So I got my EV6 in the garage here, and you can see the ugly unfinished factory calipers that we'll be covering up. And we got the new caliper covers in the box here. So let's get them unboxed. Opening up the box, we have the instructions and tools here. Then we have the caliper covers individually wrapped. And they look great. They're metal with a nice finish. I went with the lime green. My wife really liked the green, and I thought they'd look good with the black wheels and the dark gray car. They will just clip on here. I'll show you that shortly. But yeah, look how realistic they look. Taking the others out here. This one looks good too. This one is a little larger and has the rounded inner portion. This is for the front. And they all look great. Can't wait to get them installed. Here are the necessary tools. They come in the package. Then we have the instructions that outline everything, which way is up, how to attach the calipers, that sort of thing. Very detailed. Then there's the warranty information. So let's get the wheel off and get it installed. That's going to look so much better. Let me move the camera around here so you can get a better view. So we'll take out this screw and nut from the top bracket. Then we can place it on. We put the bottom around the bottom portion. The top just fits right on. The brake line looking portion of the caliper cover goes on the bottom. And it covers nicely and fits really well. And that looks so good.
Then test fitting the top bracket, which holds it on, making sure nothing in the brakes is getting in the way. Then we just put the screw in and attach the locking nut. And tighten it up with the tools they provide. You do want to make sure you tighten it down really good. It is fairly tight, and then once it's all the way on, it won't tighten anymore. And there we go. The front is on and looks great. Very sturdy, held on nice and tight. It fits over the factory caliper really well. Just want to show you here there is clearance, so it won't be rubbing the rotor as it's turning. I can turn the rotor fine. Now let's get the wheel on and see how it looks. So the wheel is on and there's no problem with clearance at all. I didn't think there would be since these wheels are designed to accommodate big brake kits, but it's good to just check. And yeah, it looks really good. I really like that green behind the black wheel. Alright, so I test fit the rear. It fits on nice and snug. And it looks good. Just need to install that top bracket. And the bracket is now installed. It goes on just like the front. And it fits great. Now for the wheel. And again, no issues with clearance. It looks really good. I'm so pleased with how this is turning out. I'll go ahead and install the other side, then let the car down and take it outside for a better look. So it is sprinkling some, but I wanted to get some footage of the caliper covers installed for you guys. And man, that green really pops. They look really good, really realistic. It definitely completely changes the look of the car. I think once I black out the silver trim, it'll come together nicely. Get a few more angles here for you. And I think they look great. I just can't get over how realistic they look. Now again, these are from AOOA Racing. I'll post a link to their website in the description for you guys. They have them for all kinds of vehicles and they have a variety of colors available. And honestly, they aren't a bad price. Like I mentioned earlier, though, they did give me a promo code for you. So if you use promo code TechJeff, you can save another $20. But yeah, I'm very happy with them. They definitely make the brakes look much better than before. And I'm really impressed with how realistic they look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, though. Be sure to subscribe too for more videos. I have a lot on the way, so stay tuned. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.